Hey guys, so I'm going to be feeding the twins. Right now I'm gonna wake up Victor, I forgot what his name was for a moment, and feed him while his sister is over there enjoying her toys. As you saw, she's having a good time with her little baby toys. So I get them fed, and then later I'm gonna get them changed. And I think this is his first feeding. I'm gonna use with him a Playtex nurser. Okay, ready to eat? Well, you're a hungry guy, aren't you? Look at him just chowing down. He's enjoying the bottle. That's good. Well, he hasn't ate since he's been home. I don't believe I fed him. I'm surprised his sister's not started crying yet, because she's just staring at me. Okay, oh my gosh, I spoke way too soon. Now she's crying. Hopefully he doesn't start crying because he's still eating. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. I'm going to put you right here so I can get your sister because she's having a fit over here. Come here. Come here. No need to cry so much, okay? I was just trying to get you to wait. Let's see. How are we going to... How am I going to feed both of you? Okay, well, let's give this a try with him. I think I definitely could manage to... Okay, there we go. I got him the bottle. And, come on, move your hand. Oh, well. I guess it's working out. What a task, all because you didn't want to wait for your turn. No, you had to interrupt on your brother's feeding session. You're making it really hard for me here. I'm glad there's not 3 of them because I'm not really sure how I would feed them all. Having twins, the struggle is real. Oh my gosh, real pain in the butt. Let me see if he is done so I can... Okay, don't cry. I think your brother is asleep now, so let's go ahead and move your brother to the car seat over here where you were. Yeah, he's asleep. We'll burp him once you're done eating because you had to interrupt. Okay, there we go. Gotta keep you quiet. You gotta set alarms on you. Oh, cry baby. see if we can get you to burp. Okay, you're gonna burp for us, huh? That you had to make yourself priority in this video. Whoa, that was a big sneeze, girl. I almost dropped you. You got allergies, huh? Okay, well, it doesn't seem like you're gonna burp. So let's see if we can get a burp out of your brother. Here, you can sit here for now. Uh-huh. Oh, look at how cute he is. He looks so cute in there. He can sport the pink. He doesn't care. Come here. Okay, let's... Oh, your sister's always in the way, man. Okay. I think he's just too tired to even burp. Okay, well, that is the trouble of having twins. You just never know what you're gonna have to deal with. At least she's happy now and he's still asleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video with them, and thank you for watching.